7 modules, 40 videos. One simple rule: I never teach the same thing twice. This video is not trying to convince you. I already made that video. This one is just the map. It shows you everything that is coming in about 3 minutes. Use it to decide if this series is for you or which module to watch first. The whole series follows one simple path. First, understand what AI really is. Then, learn to use it well. Then, learn to give it real facts and real tools. And finally, learn to build things with it that you can trust. Each module builds on the module before it. Module 1 is the foundation. What AI really is? That is Episode 1, and it is ready right now. The confusing words everyone mixes up, and the whole process in one simple picture. Those last 2 are still on the way. Module 2 goes deeper inside that process. What a token is, where the AI knowledge comes from, how it predicts the next word, how training really works, step by step. Why asking it the same question twice can give you 2 different answers. That dial is called temperature. And it ends with the question most people ask first. Why does AI sometimes make things up with total confidence? And how do you catch it? Module 3 is about talking to AI the right way. What a prompt really is. Context, how AI remembers things during one conversation. Memory, the separate feature that can remember you between different chats, and how that's different from context. A simple, practical prompting playbook. And why prompt engineering alone isn't always enough. Module 4 is hands-on, no coding needed. Using AI for real work. Checking its answers without wasting the time you saved. The AI tools already hidden inside apps you use every day. Staying safe from scams and fake AI content. And building your first automation. Connecting AI to a real action with no code at all. Module 5 is the biggest module in the series. Most beginner content skips this completely. It covers how AI understands meaning, where that information gets stored and searched, what RAG means and how to build one yourself, doing RAG well, the part most tutorials skip, chunking your data properly and checking it actually works, when to use RAG instead of retraining the model, called fine-tuning, how outside tools and a calculator fix the mistakes AI makes on its own, what an API really is, explained simply, and building your very first real AI application. This is the point where just using AI turns into building with AI. Module 6 goes beyond text. How AI creates images, how it creates and understands speech, how one single model can handle text, images, and sound together, and what is really happening inside AI models that show you their step-by-step thinking. Module 7 ends the series with AI agents. What actually makes something an agent instead of just a chatbot? The 3 things every agent needs: tools, memory, and a plan. How an agent runs in a loop, and why it sometimes gets stuck. Building your first agent. When one agent isn't enough, and several have to work together. MCP and skills. The standard that lets AI connect to almost any tool, and the reusable abilities it can load on demand. And, as the final lesson on purpose, when you should not use an agent, because more complexity is not always better. Now, the honest part. Episode 1 is already filmed and ready. It just has not been published yet. Episode 9, about why AI makes things up, is confirmed. I already mentioned it earlier. Everything else you just saw is the real, current plan. The order or the titles might change a little as I go, but nothing on this map gets removed. and nothing gets taught twice. If one of these modules made you think, "That's exactly what I need," good. That is how to use this map. Episode 1, The Start of Everything, is coming very soon. Subscribe now so you don't miss it.